So welcome to today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 7th mathematics. Sorry, science it is, okay. This is for class 7 science question, okay. So take down the question. Motion and time chapter, okay. Motion and time chapter. Yeah, let me give you all. If you all have not subscribed my channel, please do like, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, press the bell icon for more updates. So a simple pendulum oscillates 8 times. Okay, how many times? 8 times. Okay. In 48 seconds, what is the time period taken? So here, number of oscillations is 8 and the time, okay, total time taken is 48. So you'll have to find out time period. Okay, what is the time period? So apply the formula for time period. So for time period is equal to total time taken upon number of oscillations. Number of oscillations. Okay, number of oscillations. So here it will be total time is how much? Yeah, total time taken is 48. So it will be 48 upon 8. Number of oscillations is 8. So I can cancel this. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Your answer will be 24 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So how many seconds it will be? 6 seconds. Okay, so this is the time period. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.